So today I will show you how you can find and install the perfect GCam for your Android device and get the most out of your camera. Well, no matter which Android device you are using, as far as it supports camera to API, you will be able to find the perfect GCam for your specific device. So the easiest way to get the perfect GCam for your device is to go to Play Store and download an app called GCameter. This is a very simple app that helps you get the perfect GCam for your Android device. After installing it, just open the app and the first thing you will see is that it will check for camera to API support. As you can see, this device supports it and it will be very easy to download GCam for this device. For additional settings of the app, you can click on this and get to the settings. Now after that, click on the second tab, which is named Your GCam, and here you will find the link to download the perfect GCam for your device. Now if your device is not shown here or for some reason there is an issue with the download, click on the third tab and you will find the whole database of devices that support the GCam. After the download is complete, click on install, give the permission and wait for the app to get downloaded. After the download is done, give permission to install the app and it will be done. You got yourself the perfect GCam. On opening the GCam app, you can see all the options available just as the Google camera. If you have liked this, I hope you can stick around and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon.